Hey kids, welcome back to my channel Learn Science with Yasser Azam. Today I am going to continue the chapter Combustion and Fuel. This is for class 8 and this is the second part. In previous part I have discussed about the definition of combustion and what are supporter of combustion and non-supporter of combustion. I hope you must have understood. Today we will read the term calorific value. Okay, for this I am making a separate video of 2 or 3 minutes so that you can understand it easily because this definition definitely comes in your exam. What is calorific value? Bacha, for example, if we go to market for purchasing clothes, how we purchase, how we identify their quality? By touching it, by rubbing it, by seeing different parameters are there. Our mothers used to know how they judge the clothes. And if boys go for purchasing something like sports good, how they see, they check the ball from every corner and this is the way they check. So there is definitely a way for fuel also, that how we can check that a fuel is good or not. Good in sense of, प्रोडक्टिविटी कि आप कितने कम फ्यूल में कितना ज़्यादा उससे बेनिफिट उठा सकते हैं, यही तो हम गुड और बैड के टर्म्स में देखेंगे. सो कैलोरीफिक वैल्यू क्या होती है बेटा? इट इज द अमाउंट ऑफ हीट गिवन बाय अ यूनिट मास ऑफ अ फ्यूल ऑन कंप्लीट कंबशन इन एयर. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई हैव टेकन 100 ग्राम ऑफ कोल एंड 100 ml ऑफ पेट्रोलियम, तो ऐसा नहीं कि 20 ग्राम ऑफ कोल अभी बर्न हुआ है और हम उसकी वैल्यू और टोटल 100 ग्राम पेट्रोलियम की वैल्यू ना. व्हेन बोथ ऑफ देम गेट कंप्लीट कंबशन, ओके, तब उसकी क्या वैल्यू आती है? दैट वी कैलकुलेट एंड इट इज कॉल्ड एज कैलोरीफिक वैल्यू. द हाईएस्ट कैलोरीफिक वैल्यू इज ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, बट हाइड्रोजन व्हेन कम्स इन कांटेक्ट विद द एयर इट रिएक्ट्स और behaves as an explosive. That's why we don't use it as a general fuel. It is used as a fuel in spacecrafts, okay, and it gives the highest calorific value. Now the term calorific, it is derived from the word calorie, which in itself means heat. The calorie word is derived from the word heat. Okay, matlab calorie means heat. Ultimately you understand this only, but that is considered in international system of units. But generally what we do, calorific value we calculate in kilojoule per gram. Means 1 gram of a substance when burns shows complete combustion, how much of energy is produced. Okay, we considered it as calorific value. Okay, this much we have understood. Different substances have different calorific value. Here substances I am talking is fuel. For example, you talk about wood. Wood is having least calorific value among the fuels. It is around 17. Okay, different types of different types say word नहीं है. Same fuels having different types have different calorific value. बहुत ज़्यादा कंफ्यूज कर दिया मैंने, ध्यान से समझिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम कोल की बात करते हैं तो कोल अपने आप में भी कई टाइप्स के आते हैं, ठीक है, लिग्नाइट, एंथ्रासाइट, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कोल. आई विल टीच यू इन टाइप्स ऑफ फ्यूल इन अपकमिंग वीडियो. सो उनका अपना अपना अलग अलग इंडिविजुअली एक कैलोरीफिक वैल्यू अलग अलग हो सकती है कॉमन फ्यूल की. तो उसमें हम क्या करते हैं कि अप्रॉक्स वैल्यू बताते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट कोल, आई हैव रिटन समवेयर द approximation. Then coal is having 25 to 33 calorific value. Then cow dung, लीस्ट तो हमने वुड को बता दिया, वुड से भी बेकार हालत होती है काउ डंग की. इट गिव्स ओनली 6 to 8% ऑफ calorific value. Then kerosene, it is a good fuel in terms of using for making for cooking purposes, especially in village areas. They used to add kerosene with wood so that it burn faster. So kerosene is having calorific value of 48. Then diesel, it has good calorific value of 45. Then petrol and LPG both are having calorific value of 50. Okay, then biogas, I have told you the same substance may vary in their calorific value. It is 35 to 40. When we talk about methane, it is also a good fuel whose calorific value is 55. And the best one is, as I have told you, hydrogen, which is having the highest calorific value, that is 150. This is all about calorific value. That is how you now understand why different fuels have different preferences and why they are sold at different prices on the basis of calorific value. Means the amount of heat produced from its unit mass. Now we are finished. In upcoming video we will discuss about biogas plant. Different types of fuel are there: coal and petroleum, natural gas. But in upcoming video we will study about biogas plant. Till then, keep working hard. Keep watching the videos again and again to clear your doubts. Ask the question if you are confused. Thank you everyone.